Hello, welcome to the English Learning Podcast. This is your simple and practical guide to learning real American English. I am your teacher, and I am so happy you are here today. Today, we are going to do something very useful for your daily life. We are going to the store to buy new clothes. Do you feel nervous when you speak English in a clothing store? Do you worry about saying the wrong thing to the shop assistant? Maybe you want to try on a nice shirt, but you don't know how to ask politely. Or maybe you need a different size, but the words do not come out of your mouth. That is okay. Many students feel this way. It is normal to feel shy. But today, we will fix that together in this lesson. You will get excellent English listening practice. About shopping, we will learn the easy words for sizes, colors, and the fitting room. You will learn exactly what to say to the shop assistant so you get what you want by the end of this video. You will feel calm and ready to buy clothes in the USA. This is easy English. I will speak slow English so you can understand everything clearly. I am a native English speaker and I want to help you. Let's begin first. Let's learn the most important words for shopping to buy clothes you need to know. About sizes in America, we usually use words like small, medium, large, and extra large. Sometimes we just say the letters. SML, XL. Repeat after me, small, small. Do you have a small? Now repeat medium, medium. I need a medium and repeat large, large. This is. Too large and finally extra large, extra large. Do you have an extra large good? Now, let's talk about colors you already know. Basic colors like red and blue. But in a clothing store, we often look for specific shades. Shade means the type of color. Like dark blue or light blue or maybe black and white for your job, or gray and beige for the weekend. Repeat after me. Dark blue, do you have this in dark blue? Repeat. Light gray. I am looking for light gray pants. Repeat. Black, do you have this in black? Wind. You find the clothes you like. You want to put them on your body to check the size. This action is called to try on. This is a very important phrasal verb in English. To try on, listen to the native English speaker say it. Can I try this on? It means, can I put this shirt on my body to see if it fits? To fit means it is the correct size. It is not too big. It is not too small. It fits comfortably. Repeat after me. Can I try this on again? Can I try this on one more time? Excuse me, can I try this on where? Do you go to try it on? You go to the fitting room. Some people call it the dressing room. Both are correct. The fitting room is the small room with a mirror and a door where you change your clothes. Repeat. After me, fitting room. Repeat. Where is the fitting room again? Is the fitting room open now? Let's learn phrases for when the clothes are not right. Maybe the shirt is too tight. Tight means it is small and uncomfortable. It squeezes your body. It is difficult to move. Maybe it is too loose. Loose means it is big and baggy. It falls off your shoulders. It does not look good. Repeat after me. Too tight. This shirt is too tight. Repeat. Too loose. These pants are too loose. It is too tight or too loose. You need a different size. You can ask the assistant for help. Do you have this in a larger size? Do you have this in a smaller size? Repeat after me. Do you have this in a larger size again? Do you have this in a smaller size sometimes? The problem is the length. Maybe the pants are too long. They touch the floor. Maybe they are too short. They show your socks. Repeat after me. Too long. These pants are too long. Repeat. Too short. The sleeves are too short. This is daily English conversation. These are the real phrases we use. We do not use big, difficult words in the store. We keep it simple. Shopping should be fun, not stressful. Now, let's practice. This is the most important part of our English podcast for beginners. I will say a phrase, you listen, then you repeat. We will do this many times because repetition helps you remember. Are you ready? Take a deep breath. Let's go. Excuse me. Pause. Excuse me. Pause. Excuse me. Am looking for a t-shirt. Pause. I am looking for a t-shirt. I am looking for jeans. Pause. I am looking for jeans. I am looking for a dress. Pause. I am looking for a dress. Do you have this in medium? Pause. Do you have this in medium? Do you have this in large? Pause. Do you have this in large? Do you have this in size 10? Pause. Do you have this in size 10? Do you have this in blue? Pause. Do you have this in blue? Can I try this on? Pause. Can I try this? Oni? Want to try this on? Pause. I want to try this on. Where is the fitting room? Pause. Where is the fitting room? Say. The fitting room over there. Pause. Is the fitting room over there? Thank you. Pause. Thank you. Let's try some more. Imagine you are holding a pair of jeans. You are talking to the assistant. Do you have these in size 32? Pause. Do you have these in size 32? They are too long. Pause. They are too long. They are too tight. Pause. They are too tight. Do you have a shorter pair? Pause. Do you have a shorter pair? Do you have a bigger pair? Pause. Do you have a bigger pair now? Imagine the clothes are good. It fits well. Pause. It fits well. It fits perfectly. Pause. It fits perfectly like this color. Pause. I like this. Kalori will take them. Pause. I will take them. My will take them means I will buy them. It is a very common phrase. Let's say it again. I will take it. Pause. I will take it now. Imagine you are at the register. The register is where you live. Pay money. I would like to buy this. Pause. I would like to buy this. Do you take credit cards? Pause. Do you take credit cards? Do you take cash? Pause. Do you take cash? Can I have a bag, please? Pause. Can I have a bag, please? Here is my receipt. Pause. Here is my receipt. Thank you. Have a nice day. Pause. Thank you. Have a nice day. You're doing great. This is excellent English listening practice. It helps your brain get used to the sounds of real American English. Don't worry if you are slow. Slow is good. Slow helps you learn correctly. Opposites. Want to. Let's do a few more phrases about shoes, just in case. Do you sell shoes? Pause. Do you sell shoes? Need size 9. Pause. I need size 9. These are too small. Pause. These are too small. Do you have these in brown? Pause. Do you have these in brown? They are comfortable. Pause. They are comfortable. We'll take the shoes. Pause. I will take the shoes now. I want to tell you a story, a simple story about a man named Tom. Tom needs a new jacket for work. Listen to the story. Notice the words we learned. Notice how Tom speaks to the assistant. Try to understand the situation. Tom walks into a big clothing store on a Saturday morning. It is bright and has many clothes. There is music playing. Tom walks to the men's section. He sees a nice blue jacket on a mannequin. Mannequin is the plastic doll that wears clothes in the store. Tom likes the color. It is dark blue. It looks professional. Tom picks up the jacket from the rack. He looks at the tag. The tag says small. Tom is not a small. Tom is a medium. He looks through the other jackets on the rack, but he cannot find a medium. He only sees small and large. Tom looks around. He sees a woman working in the store. She is the shop assistant. She is folding shirts. Tom walks over to her. He feels a little nervous because he is shy, but he remembers his English lessons. He smiles and says, "Excuse me." The assistant smiles back. "Hi, can I help you?" she asks in a friendly voice. Tom says, "Yes, please do. You have this blue jacket in medium." Assistant looks at the jacket in Tom's hand. "Let me check," she says. She looks through the clothes on the rack very carefully. "I am sorry," she says. "We do not have a medium here on the floor. Let me check in the back." The back means the storage room. Tom waits. "Thank you," he says. The assistant walks away. Tom waits for 2 minutes. He looks at some ties while he waits. The assistant comes back. She is holding a plastic bag. Inside is a new blue jacket. "Good news," she says. "I found one in the back room." She gives the jacket to Tom. Tom is happy. "Thank you very much," he says. "Can I try this?" "Now, of course," she says. "The fitting room is over there in the corner next to the shoes." Tom walks to the fitting room. It is empty. He goes inside and closes the door. He takes off his old coat and puts on the new blue jacket. He looks in the mirror. The jacket looks good. The color is perfect for his job, but there is a small problem. The sleeves are a little too long. They cover his hands. Tom looks in the mirror again. He moves his arms. The shoulders fit perfectly. The chest fits perfectly. Only the sleeves are long. Tom thinks Is it too big? He decides to ask the assistant. He comes out of the fitting room. The assistant is waiting nearby. How does it fit? She asks. Tom says it fits well on the shoulders. But the sleeves are too long. The assistant looks. She nods her head. I see, she says. But if you get a small, it will be too tight on your chest. You are definitely a medium. Tom asks. What can I do? The assistant says. The store can fix the sleeves for you. We can make them shorter. It takes 2 days. Tom is surprised. Really? That is great. Yes, she says. It costs $10. Tom thinks about it. He really likes the jacket. It is hard to find a good blue jacket. Okay, says Tom. I will do that. I will take the jacket. Great, says the assistant. Tom goes to the register. There will be $60 for the jacket and $10 for the sleeves, says the cashier. Tom gives her his credit card. Here you go. Thank you, she says. Please come back on Monday to pick up your jacket tie. Will says, Tom, here is your receipt. Have a nice day. You too, says Tom. He walks out of the store. He does not have the jacket yet, but he is happy. He solved a problem using English. He asked questions, and he got exactly what he wanted. Did you understand the story? Tom used all the phrases we practiced. Do you have this in medium? Can I try this on? The sleeves are too long. I will take it too. Can do this too. Next time you are in a store, try to say these words in your head or whisper them softly to yourself. Buying clothes is a great way to practice daily English conversation. It is practical, it is useful, and it feels very good when you understand and people understand. You remember SH.